So it's usually Hosszu and Seebohm who go out very quickly, and Zavina slowly pulling herself way back into the race. Around about the midway point. Yet again, it is a very good start from Katinka Hosszu in lane number 4. Just slightly ahead of lane number 7, Wu Yixin of China after 25 meters.
Katinka looks pretty good so far. This is her 5th event of the night, so I'm wondering if she'll be able to hold FINA off.
Oh, it's way off that world record, which Katinka set, of course, in 2014, 1:59.23. Wilson's in 2nd spot at the moment. Zavina's in 3rd. Remember, Emily Seebohm's already swimming in her 3rd event of the night as well.
You can see Seebohm trying to hold on. Fina's catching up to Katinka. I'm wondering if Katinka can hold her off for the last 50.
Well, we're approaching that part of the race now pretty shortly. It's still Katinka Hosszu in the lead. And it's Zavina, as we said. She usually makes a move in the last 100 meters. She has started making a move. She's in 2nd spot at the moment. Trimmed the lead now to just 0.9 seconds. Seebohm's in 3rd position for Australia at the moment. Great kick off the wall by Darina Zavina. So too Seebohm. But it's Katinka Hosszu holding strong. She's gone off very quickly. Let's see if she can hold this for the final 25 meters. Still slightly in the lead. The Hungarian over the Ukrainian. And Australia's Seebohm is in 3rd position. My goodness, that turn yet again going home for Katinka Hosszu is just such a delight. It's a thing of beauty, and Katinka wins again. This, by the way, her 50th win this year. In 2016, Katinka Hosszu, after losing the last 4 legs, says to Zavina, "Not here in Singapore. This time, it's my race." And she wins emphatically. We expected a close race, and she's just put that right out of the window.